today's video, we're going to unbox, assemble, and install the Ikea Hallbar bin with pull-out. This is the pull-out with frame. Put this aside and start with the bin. So our bin is out. This is of 22 liters capacity. Measures 37.5 centimeters deep. (25 centimeters wide). And 32.5 centimeters in height. This is the cover. Comes with a manual. Very easy to follow. These are the hinges. To install, you just have to slide this in, same as on the other side. Now that the hinges are in place, you can then put the lid on. Put it in position, then press on it until you hear that click. This also includes a sticker where you can label your bin according to your use. This is the ring, sits on the top edge, keeps the waste bag in place. And done. This is now ready for use. Now the pull-out. We have the corner frames, accessories, screws, washers, installation manual, tray, and top frame. It's a good practice to check if the accessories are complete. As you can see here, if you are installing the pull-out on the side where there's a hinge, you need to use the full template. And if on the side without a hinge, then you need to fold the template. Now let's install the pull-out. Align the arrows to the edge. This needs to be flat, so I'm going to use a tape to keep it in place. Now that the template's in place, I'm going to put pilot holes on those marked on the template using tools you can find in every home, or most homes. The hammer and a nail. This will make things easier when I drive the screws in. If you don't have a hammer and a nail, depending on the surface, you can use the screw and make a pilot hole using the screwdriver. Remove the template once you have the pilot holes. We will be using this hole and this hole initially for both rails. Prepare the screws and your Phillips screwdriver. Now, align the pull-out rail holes to the pilot holes and put the screws in one after the other. Do not drive the screws in all the way until all 4 screws are in place. All are in. We'll now tighten the screws. Okay, all tight. The remaining 2 screws will be here and here. I'm not going to put pilot holes this time, just to show you that it's possible to drive the screws in. And we're done. Next, we need to install the corner frames. The longer latch will go at the bottom and the short ones at the top. Just push it in until you hear that click. Then install the top frame. Just align with the corner frames, push until you hear the click. And that's it. Time to put the bin in. To put a trash bag, insert the bag and fold the edges over the ring. Then put the ring back in place. You'll need medium trash bag for this. That measures 22 by 24 inches. The Hallbar bin with pull-out is a great product. I love the minimalist design. It is made of polypropylene plastic, easy to assemble and install. Rounded corners make it easy to clean. Folding handle makes it easy to carry the bin. Overall, I'm happy with this purchase. This ends our video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and don't forget to share.